How to delete your Jackson Hewitt account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search bar, you want to search for jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. On this website, you first want to log into your account. For that, click on the login/sign up option. Then from there, you want to click on the My JW account option. Click on this option, then enter all of your credentials, and then you will be able to log into your account. Now, if you want to delete your Jackson Hewitt account, there are some things you need to remember. The first one is to gather your account information. Before you initiate the deletion process, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This includes your login credentials and any additional details that might be required for account verification. Then, step 2 is to contact Jackson Hewitt support. Jackson Hewitt takes the security of your account seriously. To delete your account, you'll need to reach out to their customer support team. You can do this through various means such as email, phone, or live chat. Be prepared to provide your account information and a valid reason for account deletion. Then, step 3 is to request account deletion. Once you've established contact with Jackson Hewitt's support team, request the deletion of your account. They will guide you through the necessary steps and might ask for additional verification to ensure the request is legitimate. Step 4 is to confirm deletion. After you have submitted your request, Jackson Hewitt will review it. Once they have verified your identity and the validity of your request, they will proceed with the account deletion. You will receive a confirmation email when the process is complete. Now, a couple of things to remember is that deleting your Jackson Hewitt account is a permanent action. Once your account is deleted, you will no longer have access to any associated data or services. And after your Jackson Hewitt account is deleted, your information cannot be retrieved. Make sure to back up any important data before initiating the deletion process. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.